Hi everyone, my name's Sydney of Mountain Heather Creative, or maybe you're coming here from Adventure Fibre Works that I run with my friend Carolyn. Welcome. Today I'm going to take you on a little adventure to get my new loom that I'm super excited about and do a little studio tour and organization updates so that everything will fit. I hope you enjoy. Hi. You're very sweet. Yes. Yes. You're very dirty. You're bad. So the loom I got from Kijiji, which is a Canadian Craigslist, is a 32-inch Ashford 8-shaft table loom, and here I've put it on the table backwards. And it's honestly bulky. I mean, it's a loom, but surprisingly lightweight, so this was actually really easy to set up. It folds, thank God. My last one didn't, and so really appreciating that I'm able to store this one with ease. And yeah, it's beautiful. It's about 5 years old. It'll be like beautiful lacquered wood. Everything is super smooth. When you pull the shafts down, it's quiet. Yeah, I think I'm in love with this. I'm super excited to get to work on weaving something up. Oh, this is Io. The cats are always interested when things are going on. But yeah, it's beautiful. I'm in love. So it also came with a bunch of other goodies, including a bobbin winder, which I've learned is missing its drive band, so I have one on the way so we can get that fixed. It came with 4 different reeds, a rattle, and this lovely warping board that we're hopefully going to get set up at some point on the walls so I can start weaving. Alright, so now that we have a new loom, I have to figure out where I'm going to put it in this cluttered space. I'm privileged enough to have a space that I can dedicate to crafting. Mind you, it's also my work office. I work from home every day. I'm not going back into an office at any time, so it does double duty. I have one storage closet that I'm able to use. Unfortunately, it is full of sleeping bags, backpacks, and climbing gear because me and my partner have way too much, and our outdoor gear fills every crevice of this apartment. So other than having a batting roll and my spinning wheel in there that I have yet to use ever, we can't, there's no storage space in there, so everything has to be in the room. It's a bit of a mess right now, but yeah, let's just get into it. The room has a few quirks, so we'll kind of go over it as we go. the next day. Everything's still a mess. Okay, you can't see much in that view because it's all on the floor in a pile. I think we're getting there though. This afternoon, so that back corner used to have the, might have seen it when I cleaned up the desk. It was a corner shelf with a bunch of plants, so I've actually moved it to the opposite corner now, which is different. So it's a big blank wall, but that's the loom. It does stand up and it fits against the wall there now. So that's great. I'll do some shots of that. Yeah, trying to find a home for the cones that I unpacked. So this is what I have left to find a home for, which is honestly great. And I think I can now fit it up there with some of the plants gone. So yeah, they'll find a home up there. Day 3 of trying to reorganize the studio space. Yeah, pretty much done. Just need to put a couple things away. I need a home for books, so I think I'm going to focus on this shelving system and kind of clean up the mess of fabric that's there, specifically the spot you can't see right now. I think I'm going to also start keeping my weaving books on here. I have some ideas, so yeah, take you along and then hopefully I can give a short tour and we will be ending this video. But yeah, well, let's get started. You're not helpful. No, you're not helpful. Okay, this is my fabric stash for sewing. This is batting, larger pieces of batting that can be reused. So it's staying there because the cats can't access it then because they like to shove their little paws in it and try and get the batting. We don't like that. I think this is fine, other than I might actually take out this because I'm going to try and use it for a summer dress. And we'll put in suiting there because these are more like fall style fabrics. Most of them are I've picked up at Value Village or kind of stash sales that I've been to. Yeah, this stack is all used, which is awesome. Okay. And then now, thinking I have wool, kind of large. Does anyone else have cats who like to craft with them and help them? Maybe this. See that? I have a pink problem. You'll probably notice it. So more athletic. I don't expect it all to fit in here. That's not something that's going to work. These are kind of the most pressing of projects. I think I'll keep those out back where they were. Wool's not going to fit in there, so we'll put this wool back here. Oh, this can fit. And then I'm thinking, that I could take these out and put weaving books here. And I wouldn't mind keeping crafting books separate with my patterns. I think that makes more sense. And then these can go right here. Most of them are empty. I use them as project boxes for quilting. And actually, yeah, most of them are empty right now because I don't have any ongoing projects. The door rarely gets closed, so I'm not too worried about blocking it with some fabric, and hopefully this is going to be sewn up soon, so other than the wall, because it's just bulky. But oh, the 2 books I got with my loom were HF Weaving, HF Patterns by edited by Carol Strickler, which is great. She did say it's drafted for floor looms, so they need some editing to work for a table loom, but it's a great resource book for when I get there. Excuse me. Get. Oh boy, this is fun, isn't it? And I got another. Let me go grab it. Learning to Weave by Deborah Chandler, and it's a course on four-shaft weaving. Basically, I was reading it last night. I'm super excited to dive in a bit more. Oops. I can go there. So yeah, that was easier than I thought. So yeah, just do a quick cleanup, put the yarn cones away that are still sitting out, and yeah, we can do a little tour. Hey, if you're still here, thanks so much for sticking around. I think I have everything pretty much done. It'll work for now. These things are always a work in progress, so we don't expect to be perfect. My warping board isn't hung up yet, and the thread holder needs to be moved somewhere else. Not sure where that's going yet, and those are outside my skill set. I don't trust myself to drill holes in the walls because it doesn't always go well historically. So that will be something that hopefully my partner will help me on. I can share an update on that once it's done. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for sticking around. And yeah, hopefully there'll be more videos soon. So you can always give this one a like and subscribe. And yeah, have a great day with all your crafting adventures. Bye.